Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are doing an installation of our custom-made vinyl stair nosings on this customer's job here. They are using this same vinyl above the stairs, so we're installing it on the hallway as well as the 3 bedrooms up at the top of the stairs. And so they are matching it on the staircase here. It obviously doesn't match the flooring that's underneath, but they do have the intention in the future to be adding the vinyl there as well. They just wanted to start with the stairs and the upstairs because these were all carpet. So we took off the carpet, got them all cleaned up, and we are now doing the installation. As we often hear in the comments, yes, we did a whole dry fitting process where we were cutting the nosings and getting everything set to go, and we're now doing the installation. So here at Step Up, we make these nosings out of the vinyl plank flooring that we get. So the flat vinyl, it is made out of it. That leaves the click on it. So you're able to click that second board on and make that continuous tread. And it also means that at the top of the stairs, you would be able to click in that next row of vinyl, and continue along that way. And of course, the color is a perfect match because it's made out of the vinyl that you are using, in this case, above the stairs. The customer wanted that white riser, and so we are using a product that already has a white finish as well as a sealant on it. So unlike just painting it, it's going to be a lot easier to clean and maintain. And then we are just going in with our PL Premium to do this installation. If you are considering installing our stair nosings, please hit that subscribe button and check out our channel. We have slowed down really detailed versions that explain exactly how to do this, as well as the products that we use. And so that's going to be your best bet to get the details of what you're looking at. But as we go along here, we're just showing you this process. Yes, we work from the bottom of the stairs up to the top of the stairs. We always get comments about that as well. You will see that the technician here is going to do their best to not really stand on the stairs much because yes, you could move them. But the reasoning for it is being able to get those perfect flat edge finishes as you go. So you can see in this case, because this is a older staircase, it is not flat anymore. There's usually a little bit of warping in the middle of the stairs. So when you put those risers on, they need to be pushed down and nailed into place. And so going from the bottom to the top allows us to do that. And then when the next nosing and tread get put on, like you're going to see here, that lip over the front is going to cover the top of the riser that you were just putting into place. If you're going from the top down to the bottom, you wouldn't be able to get that leverage or get those nails into place for this. So you're seeing here that is the reason that we are going along. It also is that the cut edge of the tread itself is now covered with the riser. So if there was any slight variation there, you're always getting a beautiful manufactured edge that you are seeing along the way from both of the products. And that's really key. Okay, we're using a nail gun for these risers because they are made out of wood. If you're doing the risers out of vinyl and needing to do this, you want to be using screws, which again, we have a really detailed video on how to do that on the channel. And if you're just getting started looking at vinyl plank flooring, we do have lots of videos on what vinyl plank flooring you want to choose, as well as your choices in the stair nosing and the look that you are working at. This particular customer is using a 9mm vinyl, very, very thick, but it did have a beautiful color and a beautiful finish. And so you're going to see here in a minute, the results are absolutely gorgeous. You can check out a lot more photos and details on our website, stepupvinyl.ca. That's also where you can go to get in contact with us if you'd like us to help you out. And we can make the nosings for you. We can come do the installation, or we can do the complete reno, whatever you are looking for. All right, so we're finishing it up here with that final step, and then we are going to leave the staircase to set at least 24 hours without use by the homeowners. So we come back the next day, we take off the tape, we do the caulking, get everything finalized, and then it's fully cured after 48 hours. So here it is. Let us get out of the way, and you can see the finished product. Boom, beautiful in that morning light. Again, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe button. Check out our website, stepupvinyl.ca. We'll see you in the next one.